how I transformed this image into this. This week's challenge was black and white. Lighting is the key to a good black and white photo. I started off desaturating my photo and modified the exposure, contrast, blacks, whites, highlights, and shadows. I then cropped the image to where I want and got rid of some of the elements at the top. I added a gradient and made it more darker towards the bottom right of the photo. Next I got to work on the face and added some highlights and dark areas to make the photo really pop. Did a similar thing with the eyes, really making that white highlight pop out so it shows the light reflect. Next I went to work on the body, accentuating the darks and lights of the photo. I updated the perspective of the photo based off of the lens type and then cropped it. Took it into Photoshop to add some light, cleaned up a few spots on the face with my healing brush. I added a bit more light with a gradient, setting it to screen and reducing the opacity. Took it back to Lightroom for a few final touches, a vignette, and exported for Instagram. And that's